This town will never pass me by. This town frozen still in time. If you're believing that ever this could change, well, you're right, it probably will. Not my way. Well, this used to be the town where they'd come from all around for higher paying jobs. You could work forever. It's getting harder. It's getting harder to pretend. It's getting harder. It's getting harder to defend. It's been painted in these walls. It's the same old change in the rains that I've seen before. When the streets were freshly paved for Saturday's parades, 15 veterans and their flags reflecting metal smiles, the crown queens and Cadillacs waving their goodbyes. This town that used to be so strong has inspired many songs, and these empty streets of faith, well, you ain't done long, cause I'm leaving. Got my get up and my go. In the morning, there's just one last thing to know. If you're believing that ever this could change, having one more conversation with myself again. Before tonight I'll let my dreams go the runway so complete, crisscrossing through the time. The river I do love, but that midnight train she cries on the morning and the night. But to me it seems a song of ending up where you belong. So press your ears close to the tracks, crown queens and Cadillacs waving their goodbyes. But in this town that used to be so strong, this town has inspired many songs. Children on the room. This town, well, I raise a glass of toast